Let's face it, DIY projects and home repairs can be an absolute nightmare without the right tools. Lucky for you, we've been elbow deep in cordless screwdrivers, researching everything from battery life to torque power and ergonomic design. Want to know which ones are actually worth your hard-earned cash? We've narrowed it down to the top 5, and trust me, number 3 is so insane, it'll make your jaw hit the floor, in the best way possible. Oh, and before you ask, yeah, we've got some sweet deals waiting for you in the description. Seriously, the prices are gonna blow your mind. Starting off our countdown at number 5, it's the Milwaukee 2401-22 M12 Cordless Screwdriver Kit, a tool that's earned its stripes on job sites everywhere. This screwdriver is a workhorse that packs a serious punch with its 30 Nm of torque and speeds reaching up to 500 RPM. If you're working with stubborn screws or tougher materials, the M12 doesn't flinch. It powers through like a champ. But what really makes this tool shine is its durability. Milwaukee didn't just build this thing, they engineered it to last. Drop it? No problem. Throw it into a crowded toolbox? It's ready for more. It's a tank disguised as a screwdriver, and it's not afraid of a little roughhousing. But let's talk about features. The onboard battery gauge? Total game changer. How many times have you been halfway through a job and your tool just dies? With the M12, you can see your power levels at a glance and plan accordingly. No surprises, no downtime. Oh, and Milwaukee didn't just stop at giving you one battery. This kit comes with 2 high-quality lithium-ion batteries. That means you can swap one out while the other charges and keep going until the job's done. And here's the kicker, it's lightweight. At just about a pound, you'll barely feel it in your hand, even after hours of use. Whether you're hanging drywall, assembling furniture, or tackling home improvement projects, this tool is built to keep up without wearing you down. Trust us, your wrist will thank you. Coming in at number 4 is the Makita DF2DS, a cordless screwdriver that's all about versatility and precision. Makita didn't just bring another tool to the market, they brought a solution. With 21 clutch settings, this screwdriver gives you precise control over torque, which is absolutely essential when working with a variety of materials. Whether you're driving screws into delicate surfaces like drywall or tackling tougher materials like wood, you can trust the DF2DS to deliver the exact amount of power you need without stripping screws or damaging your project. Like the Milwaukee, the Makita boasts 30 Nm of torque, but where it really shines is in its attention to detail. The ergonomic design feels like it was custom molded to your hand, making it a joy to use even during long sessions. And the LED work light? It's positioned just right, ensuring you can see exactly what you're doing, even in dimly lit spaces. Dark corners, tight spots, this screwdriver laughs at those challenges. Let's talk about power. This kit also includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, so you're never left high and dry. And thanks to Makita's quick charging feature, your downtime between jobs is practically non-existent. What's even better? The value. Makita has a reputation for delivering top-notch tools at reasonable prices, and this model is no exception. Moving on, we've got the Black & Decker BDCSFL20C, a cordless screwdriver that's here to rewrite the rules. If you thought screwdrivers couldn't be innovative, think again. The pivoting handle on the BDCSFL20C is nothing short of genius. Need to reach an awkward angle? Switch from a straight grip to a pistol grip with a simple twist and you're good to go. This feature alone makes it a lifesaver for anyone working in tight spaces. Think cabinets, drawers, and hard-to-reach nooks. But that's not all. The built-in LED light isn't just a last-minute add-on, it's a thoughtfully designed feature that illuminates your work area perfectly. No more shadows getting in your way or fumbling around with a separate flashlight. Black & Decker clearly thought about how this tool would be used in real-world scenarios, and it shows. Weighing in at just 1 pound, this screwdriver is lightweight enough for extended use without causing fatigue. And the lithium-ion battery is a champ when it comes to holding a charge. Leave it in your toolbox for a few weeks and it'll still be ready to go when you are. And let's not forget about the price. This little powerhouse punches well above its weight class in terms of value. Now, taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the DeWalt DCF680N2 gyroscopic screwdriver, a tool that feels like it's straight out of the future. The star of the show here is the gyroscopic control system. It's not just a gimmick, it's a game changer. Forget about switches or buttons. With this tool, you simply tilt forward to speed up or tilt back to slow down. It's so intuitive, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this feature makes driving screws feel effortless. The DCF680N2 doesn't skimp on power either. With variable speeds up to 430 RPM and 15 nanometers of torque, it's got enough muscle for most jobs around the house or on the job site. And let's talk comfort. The soft grip handle and lightweight design make it feel like an extension of your arm. You can work longer without feeling the strain, which is a big win for anyone tackling multiple projects in one go. As with the other models on this list, the DeWalt comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries to keep you powered up. Plus, the LED light is perfectly placed to illuminate your workspace, ensuring precision with every screw you drive. This tool isn't just innovative, it's reliable. And we've found some incredible deals to make it even more accessible. Check the description for pricing that might just seal the deal on this futuristic screwdriver. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Bosch IOV, a cordless screwdriver that proves good things really do come in small packages. Weighing just a pound, the IOV might be compact, but it's anything but weak. It's capable of driving up to 190 screws on a single charge, plenty for most jobs around the house. With 5.5 Nm of torque, it's perfectly calibrated for precision work. Need to assemble furniture, tackle light repairs, or work on delicate electronics? This screwdriver has your back. What really sets the Bosch IOV apart is its incredible versatility. Thanks to a range of available attachments, this screwdriver transforms into a multi-tool capable of handling tasks you wouldn't expect, like drilling or even opening wine bottles. Yes, you heard that right. It's the most versatile cordless screwdriver, and it's just as handy to have around. Charging is a breeze with the micro USB port. Plug it into your laptop, power bank, or wall adapter, and you're good to go. The LED light ensures you can see exactly what you're doing, and the ergonomic grip makes even longer projects feel comfortable. And the price? Let's just say Bosch knows how to deliver value. We've tracked down some unbeatable deals on the IOV, so check those links in the description to see for yourself. And that wraps up our top 5 cordless screwdrivers of the year. Whether you're a pro looking to upgrade your gear or a DIYer tackling home projects, there's something on this list for everyone. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're using and loving. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations.